engagement, the man will give to the woman, what does he give? What do you call the ring that he's giving? He's giving the engagement ring, no? And then later on during the wedding, they will be sharing what kind of ring? The wedding ring, no? But after 5 years, what are they giving? What kind of ring they are giving? According to them, they are giving sapphire ring, no? At sometimes, no? After 10 years, sometimes, what are they sharing? That kind of ring, they are sharing. It's a Cebuano term, they call iring-iring, no? So you are looking for somebody else. You might not be contented with your wife or your husband. But the best thing that you should always be giving to each other should be that kind of ring, which we call care ring, no? But what I mean is, because usually as you stay longer in your marriage life, in your friendship, no, you fail to appreciate the good thing of each other, and you fail to exert effort in doing good, maybe because you are so familiar with one another. But we hope you always remember this. As you say, for better or for worse, till death do us part. It's also till death do us part, that you exert effort in appreciating the goodness of your partner, of your friend. It's also till death do us part, that you try your best, exert more effort in giving good things to one another. A while ago, I asked you, Maurice, what are the 3 things that you like most? That's why you chose Didi to bring in this altar. Can you tell Didi? Were you able to tell Didi those 3 things before? Yes, you think so. But you now tell her formally, what are those 3 beautiful things that you told me that you like Didi the most? Actually, it's more than 3, right? So do you still remember this? Okay, what are those things? You tell her. Didi, she like you so much because of these 3 positive things that he sees in you.
She is very serious, although she has also a good sense of humor. And although we are completely uniting today, I appreciate also that she is still an independent person. And she is very beautiful.
Oh, see, you're beautiful, you're pretty, no? So that's the good thing. So you keep on telling her about all those things, and I hope Didi, those 3 good things, you keep on exerting effort, that it will not be gone in your relationship. It will stay forever. And there's are only 3 things. I hope, Maurice, you will say more things, beautiful things from her. And Didi, these are the 3 most important, beautiful things coming from you. So it will be next 10 years, next 15 years, it will be multiplied into 9 to 12 and etc. Now it's your turn, Didi. I promise you, I only ask few questions. So this, what are those? Actually, it's also more than 3 things, Maurice, that he likes you. That's why he chose you. What are these 3 things, Didi?
He's a loving person, very supportive and responsible, and he accepts also my kids as his own.
So you're a very responsible person and very supportive. And one thing that according to Didi is very important is you are able to accept her daughters as just like yours. So, and that's a good thing that Didi sees in you, that is the good things that is coming from you, no? So the same message, I hope these few things, it will be multiplied. And I hope, Didi, you will see more beautiful things in Maurice. And in that way, your friendship will be strengthened. And I hope your friendship will last. That best friends, you will be best friends forever. And the last thing, no? The 3rd thing is, actually, there are 3 persons who are making commitment today. It's not only you, Maurice, and Didi, no? There are we have 3, the 3rd person. Who is this 3rd person? It is Jesus Christ, no? When you are committing one another for better or for worse, till death do us part, Jesus Christ also will be telling you, Maurice and Didi, for better or for worse, till death do us part, no? And the beautiful thing is Jesus is present in your relationship, in your family, because we are not perfect. No? Nobody is perfect. There are a lot of things that we have weaknesses. And who will supply those weaknesses? It is Jesus Christ. Remember in the wedding at Cana, no? Everything was well prepared. Everything was well done. But something happened. They lacked wine. And who supplied that wine? It is Jesus Christ. No? In your relationship, you can never be a perfect father. You can never be a perfect husband. But in your imperfection, there is Jesus who will supply that imperfection. The same thing with you, Didi. You will never be a perfect wife. You will never be a perfect mother. But Jesus Christ will supply that so that there will be a perfect combination within the family. No? So that is why I would like to tell you that we hope that you will not forget Jesus Christ as you build your family. We hope that Jesus Christ will be part, in fact, will be center as you build your true family. So Maurice and Didi, as we go on with your Mass, as we go on with your commitment, together with your parents and with your godparents and your friends and relatives, we will keep on praying you that God will be there and your friendship will last forever with the blessing of God.